Hey everybody, this is Kim Offord, and I am back with another training. This is another addition to the Midjourney Mastery series. So this is our setup and getting started training. This is for all of my beginners, my people who want to get started creating wonderful images, but you've just started your Midjourney account or your Discord account and you haven't gotten it set up yet, or you run into some hiccups. This is the video that you want to see. So we're going to do this in less than 15 minutes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go to discord.com and you are going to open up a Discord account. Discord accounts are free. You can either download it for a Mac, or you can choose to use Discord in your browser. I use it in my browser when I am on my computer. There is also an app that you can get for your phone if you decide that you want to use Midjourney on your phone, on the go, whatever. All right, so that's the first thing that you want to do. You want to get the Discord account first, and it is free for you to get. So the second thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to midjourney.com. After you have set up your Discord account, there's really nothing else that you can do in Discord. So now you want to go to Midjourney and you want to open up a Midjourney account. So what you would do is you would click over here down in the right hand corner for sign up. You would sign up, and then we'll go from there. All right. So now you're into Midjourney. You have your Midjourney account, and you're going to log in to your Midjourney account. Once you log in, you're going to be asked if you want to log in through Discord. And so once you get here and you see this screen, you're going to have a pop-up that's going to come up, and you want to authorize logging in with Discord, and this will then take you to the Discord environment. So you're going to accept all the policies, of course, and then you're going to go ahead and move forward. All right. So now you've made it over into Discord, and this is what your screen will look like. But what you want to do at this point, you want to look for the Midjourney bot. And the Midjourney bot is probably going to be the one here on the far left-hand side that looks like a sailboat. And you want to click on that Midjourney bot. Now you're in Midjourney. You can't create just yet because you're just in the area where you're getting started. You can look at the getting started information here if you like, but this is where Midjourney makes announcements about improvements and reports on the status, etc. But you want to get to making images. So what you want to do is you want to find one of the newcomer rooms, which would be newbies. Any one of these rooms would be fine. You can click on newbies room, and then this is where people who are using the free version, the free public version of Midjourney, this is where they come and create images. All right. So you can start here creating images, but just know that your images will not be private. They will be accessible, just like I'm looking at everyone else's images and I'm looking at this person here waiting on their images to come up. People are going to be able to see your images, and your images will be mixed all up with everyone else. So what you want to do now is you want to create a private channel so that you can create your images in a private channel. Now, your images still can be seen by others if you're working on the free account. It's just that your images are going to be in that private channel. All right. So what you're going to do to create the private channel, you'll go over here to the plus sign and you see as I put my cursor over, it says add a server. So you want to click on that, and then you want to create your own server. All right. What does that mean when you create your own server? That means that you're going to have a circle over here that is dedicated just for you so that you can create your images. So you're going to click here, then create my own, and you're going to say it's for me and my friends. Just say it's for me and my friends. It's going to be just for you. And then you would call your server whatever it is that you want to call your server. And if you want to upload a picture, you can. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and create this server real quick. So I'm going to create it. All right. So now that server is created. It is over here, KO's server 1. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to invite the Midjourney bot to your server. So the way that we're going to do that, the easy way to do that, we're going to go over to the Midjourney bot. We'll click here on the bot, and we want to go into one of the newbie rooms because we want to get access to the Midjourney bot in order to invite it over to our server. So here's an image that someone else did, and you'll see here in green the Midjourney bot, and then you'll see the verified app. So what you want to do is click on the Midjourney bot, and you'll get a pop-up, and you want to click on add app, and then we want to click on add to server. So you want to click on add to server. So we'll click there. And then what we want to do is we want to select a server. So I'm going to click to drop down, and I'm going to add it to Kim O's server 1. So now it's there. And so I'm going to hit continue and accept everything that's here. Yes, I'm fine with all of that. You have to scroll down and then authorize. I am human. Okay. All right. So now we have the Midjourney bot in Kim O's server, and we can get started. As you can see here, it says the Midjourney bot just landed. Welcome to Kim's place. So now what we want to do is we can start creating images now, basically. And the way that you create images in Midjourney on your channel is you would click here on the plus sign, and you would go to use apps. This is one way that you can do it. You can go to use apps, and then you want to go to the / imagine prompt, and you want to click imagine. You want to click on that, and then you'll get a prompt. You'll get a prompt right here, a prompt command, and you can start typing in your prompts for images. Okay. The other way that you could do it is you could just simply type in the / imagine and then hit enter, and then you could go ahead, or just / imagine and then start typing out your prompt. So now it's ready. It's telling me that it's ready for my image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a fat cat in a chair. And I'm just going to keep it real simple just for this first one. So what's happening right now is Midjourney is working on the image for me. It is now producing the image. Now you will see here that it's going to tell you what percentage it is it's done with creating the image. Mine is in fast mode and I'm in stealth. So that means that you cannot see any of the images that I produce because I do have a paid subscription version. All right, so here are our images that it is producing. All right, some pretty funny images here. Now, if you notice, you've got some things going on with the cats here, and you have 4 images. You're always going to get 4 images. Remember, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Then you have your commands down here, and you have your commands here. U1, U2, U3, and U4 means that you're upscaling. So in other words, if you like image number 1 and you want to isolate it from all the other images and you might want to download it or work on that one in particular, you would click on U1 and this image would come up by itself and you would start working on it. Now, let's say I like this image here and I want to work on it a little bit more, but I want to see what Midjourney is going to produce first. I can click on V3 because this is the 3rd image and I want it to vary. I want to get a variation of image 3. So this is variation of image 1, 2, variation 3, variation 4, or upscale of those images. And there's some other commands that you can do in Midjourney to get this image more specific, of course. Now, this here means that you want Midjourney to just rerun the prompt all over again and give me 4 brand new images without changing the prompt in any type of way. So that's how you pretty much just get started and, creating your first beginner images. Now, if you want to know how to improve the prompts, how to get more realistic images, more intricate prompts, I got something for you. Hold on. Don't go away. All right. So you are interested in making more photorealistic images for Midjourney. I have a brand new Midjourney guide that you can download to get all the prompts, all the walkthroughs, 50 pages of photorealistic prompt resources, ways that you can monetize photorealistic images. I have that all in the guide. And then if you're ready to take it even further, I started this year the Midjourney membership, Midjourney Mastery membership, where we're taking deep dive into photorealistic images in a supportive community environment. So if you want to learn and you want to learn with other people, that's what you need to do. You need to come on and join us in the Midjourney Mastery membership. All right. So I'll put on the screen how you can get this information or sign up. It's all at thereferralstore.com. And hope you enjoyed this training and hope you got yourself going, started, and just, ready to roll with Midjourney. Take care.